Hey, 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 what are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today and see what pops out. Life. And the best news of all is that it is never too late to become the person you always wanted to be. Cleo Wade. What would your best self be feeling right now? What is preventing you from feeling this? If you're always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. Embrace your weirdness today and always. Do everything that makes you, you. Let's pick a dream card. Unleash your inner power by doing the things you enjoy doing. Start with little moments. They will give you more strength for next time. The more you nurture your needs, the more powerful you become. Let's pick one of these, and then we'll pick an envelope. Or two of them. Your energy is sacred. Oh yeah. Patience is within me. Most definitely. Sometimes it's hiding. Which little nugget has our quotes today? Believe in yourself. That's your superpower. Pay attention on what kind of energy people you're attracting. Do what is right, not what is easy. I find beauty in the mess. You get back what you put out there. You can create a peaceful, stress-free life that you desire by changing your belief system. Be clear on what you want. Low energy attracts more low energy. I just told you 2 minutes ago, I do not control the remember. I'm sorry for all the things I said when it was wintry. If you say it, mean it. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.